Over the past few months, I've made thousands and thousands of dollars selling simple digital files. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do exactly the same, selling exactly the same stuff that I'm selling and how to do that. Hey, my name's Trevor and I've been working online now for 10 years full time. I work from the comfort of my own home, but I can work anywhere in the world. And I've generated over $3 million in online sales so far. And over the last few months, I've been selling packs of prompts. I've sold Nano Banana prompts, Mid-Journey prompts, ChatGPT prompts, and today what I've got are 10,000 Gemini prompts. And why this is interesting for you is because you can sell the exact same package that I'm selling because I'm giving you what's called private label rights, PLR. And that basically means that this product becomes yours the minute that you pick it up. So as soon as you buy it, you get all the rights, everything. It's unrestricted PLR. It's like it's your product. It's as if you created it, but you didn't have to because we did it for you. So we've done all the hard work and all you need to do is sell it. Now you can sell these on sites like Etsy, Gumroad, Amazon. In fact, on Gumroad, I've seen people selling prompts for an insane amount of money, like just for a few prompts. But I'm giving you 10,000 prompts. And the price for those prompts, including the PLR, is so cheap. I'm almost giving it away. But the price does go up with every sale. And there's a good chance it's gone up while you've been watching this video so far, to be honest with you. So if you do like the idea of it, then just click the link below this video at any point to go and lock in your 10,000. Now, if you buy it through me, you're also going to get an insane bonus bundle, which will give you a load more PLR that you can sell. So in effect, you could start your online PLR business today just with a click of a button and for less than a tenner, which is bonkers. I've started a lot of businesses in my time and I've never started one that cheaply, but you actually can, and this stuff works. So our prompt packs have all won product of the day on JVZoo, which means that every single one of them has won an award. That should give you some confidence in the quality that we're putting out there. And the thing about this is, as I said, we've done all the work for you. You literally get an entire bundle, a huge bundle that you can sell over and over and over again. And unlike a traditional business, you don't need a warehouse to store these. You just need a little bit of space on your drive and then that's it. And also when it comes to selling them, you don't have to package them up and go to the post office. This is the easiest way to make money online. And that's why I've been doing it for the last 10 years. Now, I also have a school community. You'll find a link to that below this video, and it's completely free to join. Plus you can upgrade to premium if you want to take things to the next level and be directly coached by me when it comes to making money online. So if you haven't joined so far, then please go ahead and do that. Just click on the button, go through to the About page. You'll see Join Group. Just click on that and I'll let you in. So getting back to PLR, private label rights, as I said, it means it's your product, right? Now, if you wanted to launch this on Warrior Plus or JVZoo yourself, for example, all you'd need to do is change it around a little bit. And I call that pimping PLR. You rename it, rebrand it, repackage it, and then you've got something completely fresh and new. And that enables you to go into the public marketplace on platforms like JVZoo and Warrior Plus. So then you can get an army of affiliates promoting your offer for you. And that's where everything begins to change. Because what happens is, every time you make a sale, you get the buyer's email address. You see, these affiliates have got lists of tens of thousands of people, and they will broadcast out to promote your offer in order to make an affiliate commission. You'll pay them some money, you'll receive some money, but most importantly, you get the buyer's email address. And when you get that, that goes onto your autoresponder, which enables you to then do a broadcast. When you do a broadcast, you can say, "Hi John, hi Mary, hi Sue. I just found this product that I thought it was a great fit for you. You won't believe what it does. Click here." That goes out to all of your buyers, and your buyers will then click on that link, which will be your affiliate link, and you'll make an affiliate commission. And that's something that a lot of people don't realize. In order to become a super affiliate, if you become a vendor, you get the buyer's email addresses, and then you can become a super affiliate. So before you know it, you're making money as a vendor and money as an affiliate. And all of this can start today. And the first thing that you can do is pick up this 10,000 Gemini prompt pack, and then it's yours, ready to go. All the hard work done, all the heavy lifting done. All you need to do then is sell it and keep every penny you make. Let's say you picked up the 10,000 prompts from me today for around about $10. It's 10,000 prompts. You could go and sell that for $20. You'd be doubling your money with the first sale. This is how insane it is. You can see why I'm attracted to this business model, and you can see why my students are as well. So look, don't forget, the price goes up with every sale. So if this sounds good to you, click the link below this video, lock it in as soon as you can. Check out my free school community, and you'll also find another link below for my Vendor Victory Masterclass. Now this is something that can make all the difference in your life. If you really want to take things to the next level and you're looking to achieve maybe $10,000 to $20,000 online per month, then the Vendor Victory Masterclass will show you how to achieve that. If that sounds good to you, then check that out as well. I've got limited spaces, but at the time of recording, there are a few left. Now, if this video has piqued your interest and you're now thinking that you'd like to learn more about making money online with PLR, then the video you see on the screen at the moment will help you to develop that and take things to the next level. So go ahead and watch that, and I'll see you on the next video. All the best.